Difference between IOLoop.current. Run_in_executor and ThreadPoolExecutor. Submit. I'm quite new to Python Tornado and have been trying to start a new thread to run some IO blocking code whilst allowing the server to continue to handle new requests. I've been doing some reading but still can't seem to figure out what the difference is between these two functions. For example, calling a method like this compared to write_res_workbook takes some information from the object report and writes it to an Excel spreadsheet. However, I'm using OpenPixel, which takes 20s to load an appropriately formatted workbook and another 20s to save it, which stops the server from handling new requests. The function simply returns true or false, which is what my _success is, as the report object has the path of the output file attached to it. I haven't quite gotten either of these methods to work yet, so they might be incorrect, but was just looking for some background information. Cheers.
IOLoop.run_in_executor and executor.submit do essentially the same thing, but return different types. IOLoop.run_in_executor returns an asyncio.future, while executor.submit returns a concurrent.futures.future. The two future types have nearly identical interfaces, with one important difference: only asyncio.future can be used with a wait in a coroutine. The purpose of run_in_executor is to provide this conversion.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.